Get ready for a thrill because the OnePlus 12 is on the horizon, charging in like a comet just a year after the OnePlus 11 shook things up. Hold on to your hats because we're diving into round 3 of leaked specs, and it's like unearthing buried treasure. A screen that curves like a daredevil's grin, conjured by a top-notch Chinese company. This isn't just any screen. It's got the power of high-frequency pulse width modulation dimming, riding on the back of newfangled substrate technology. Are you still with me? Because things are about to take off. Buckle up, because the beating heart of the OnePlus 12 is none other than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 sauce, ready to propel you into the future. And RAM? Hold onto your socks because it's coming in hot at either 16 gigabytes or a jaw-dropping 24 gigabytes. But wait, we're not stopping there. Behold the battery, a mighty 5,400 mAh beast, armed with the lightning-fast prowess of 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. Charging has never been this electrifying. Let's talk lenses. The main camera is stepping up with a 50MP Sony IMX9 sensor that's fresher than a morning breeze. And flanking it, a 50MP ultra-wide lens that's ready to capture vistas like never before, and a mind-blowing 64MP 3x periscope telephoto snapper that marks OnePlus' grand entrance into the world of zoom. The future is crystal clear, my friends. Hold the phone, literally. The OnePlus 12 rocks a metal middle frame, while a super sleek optical fingerprint reader hides in plain sight within the display. Feel the buzz with the ultra-large X-axis motor, delivering vibrations so crisp and deep you'll think you're part of the action. And yes, there's room for a super large heat dissipation area, because coolness matters, size matters, and this 6.7 screen is a masterpiece, ready to immerse you in every detail of its 120Hz refresh rate and dazzling QHD plus resolution. Think big, at least 256 gigabytes of UFS 4.0 goodness. Say cheese to the 32-megapixel selfie snapper, and rest assured OSYG and OS 14, powered by Android 14, is your trusty companion in this electrifying journey. Hold on to your seats, tech aficionados, because the OnePlus 12 is about to rewrite the rules of excitement. Peace out.